Hi, in this video I will show you how to know if someone has removed you from the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If someone removed you from the Snapchat and you want to know if he or she removed you from the Snapchat or not, simply watch this video till the end. So let's start the procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to go to the chats from here, and you have to select the one person you want to check if he or she send remove you from the Snapchat. So right now I will click on this, and you will see snap score here. So if you will see snap score on the profile of the friend, it means you are still friend on the Snapchat. But if you don't find any score here like this, it means the other person removed you from the Snapchat. So if you want to check the other person is unfriend you or not on the Snapchat, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.